And just go ahead and let me give myself credit. This is not how the wig came out.
Get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money. That get money music, baby. Get money, yeah, get money, get money. All hustle, 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 hustle. All hustle, 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 hustle.
You guys, I just got done recording a video review of this wig, and came down the stairs, as you can see over there, and just feeling a little weak. So I'm getting ready to lay myself down for a little bit. Gotta go live tonight on Facebook. I'm excited because I haven't been live since January. And my goal is to go live consistently once a week on Mondays on Silky Sax. So if you haven't already liked Silky Sax Facebook page yet, go and like it. Maddie, I'm trying to make a video. This is Madison. Always want to be on camera. Anyway, my throat is hurting. And I'm just trying to push through because I don't want to really be taking a lot of medicine right now, and just trying to drink some tea and just wing it and do better. But I am feeling a little weak and sleepy. And then, you guys, I really like my eyeshadow and eyeliner. I did the lime green. I'm feeling lime green right now. I'm gonna dye a wig lime green too. So stay tuned so you can see that. You guys already seen the yellow one. I'm gonna do a lime green one too. Maybe I'll do a whole YouTube video of how to, because it glows in the dark. So yeah, so anyway, let me just take a little nap, get myself together, and then I'll come back. I'll show you my setup, and we'll talk about tonight, Facebook, and you go with me. All right. I was shooting a video, so you know what, you guys, I still have an old school camera, getting ready to buy a new one, but that's my light. Let me step back so you can see. Then I have my other light, the light that's here in the office. And then this is the chair in the backdrop. So yeah, when I go live, you guys, I use what I have. I don't make up, excuse me, I'm trying to close the office door to be prepared because I got to go live in 30 minutes on Facebook. But I use what I have. I don't fool around and say, oh, well, that's the old camera, so you can't. I use my iPhone, which I'm recording on now. And so I highly recommend that everybody else do the same. Use what you have. Don't be worried about having the latest and greatest, because in all honesty, you have to master what you have. You could have the best equipment, the best lights, the best everything. But if you don't know how to properly use it, then you're not going to be able to get the most out of it. So use what you have to get your skills up, right? To get comfortable in front of the camera. Learn what angles you like the best, what looks good on you, and then go back and, you know, spend the money to get the better equipment. The only thing I would honestly spend money on, if you don't have a big window somewhere you can fit in front of, is lights, because lighting is super important. And there's only so much you can do in editing as far as like brightening and making things better. But I would definitely get lights. So, yeah. So, I'm just going to touch up the lipstick. And then I'm going to finish getting the props ready so that I can go L-I-V-E. So I'm putting my wig that I had back on earlier. I took it off for my nap, and now I'm putting it back on, you guys. I'm kind of running late, but we're gonna get this G thing cracking. So it's already pretty much ready to go because I had it on earlier. I just need to put a little water in it because synthetic hair can get a little dry. I wanted to put a little something more on my lips. I feel like my lipstick is just, gotta get them closer to the sink, you guys. I feel like my lipstick is just not popping. But that's all right. That's all right. Only thing about curly hair, whether it's synthetic or not is it just can be so nappy and tangly at the ends. And I couldn't find, when I was doing my review, couldn't find this doggone pick for nothing. Now I found it. How about that, y'all? So, there we go. Put a little product in here, and then we're going to be ready. And then I will take you guys with me. You know what? I'm going to put the curling iron, hit the top a little bit, because you guys, that's what the secret is. You know what the secret is? Up here. When you puffy in your crown, that's how people know you're getting wiggy with it. So you always want to make sure that it's flatter up there, because that is the giveaway that you got a wig on, because the hair on your real head ain't going to be big like that. So it shouldn't be like that with the wig. And I just want to get these little sparse ones. All right. So there we are. We are ready. I'm going to go find my place and get ready. I'm going to wash my hands. All right, so I'm getting ready to go, you guys, and sit at the desk. And then, of course, I will drop some footage. I will drop some footage in of me going live, and I will also put the link of the live video down in the comments below. So make sure you go check it out. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll be back to you guys after we're done.
And just go ahead and let me give myself credit. This is not how the wig came out of the box. I did have to slay her up, but a review is coming. So if you don't follow Silky Facts, you need to follow us. I recommend signing up for our mailing list, because I email and send all the videos out, so then you'll know, because, you know, we don't always keep our notifications on. No, Maddie, I'm sorry. My little doggy tripping, but.
So you guys, as you can see the video, I just went live on Facebook, and it was really cool. I'm just, like I said, a little under the weather, but I got some great things coming up, and it's been a goal of mine this year to be consistent with going live. And the cool thing about it is, when I went live, I asked people what did they want me to talk about, which Silky Sack product did they want me to talk about next Monday. And the cool thing was, I asked, do they want to talk about the clips or the flat iron? And people said flat iron right during the video. So that's the amazing thing about going live, is you guys, you can get feedback right instantly. I mean, instantly right there, to find out what it is that people are really looking for, what it is that people want. And that's what you're in business for, right? To give people the things that they want. So next Monday, I'm going to go and do a live example of me flat ironing some hair with our beautiful titanium flat iron. Titanium gem, flat iron. And it really is a great product, and I can't wait to do it, because it really is a good product. I'm not just saying it because it's mine. It really is good, so you get to see. I'm sorry, but the beat is just on fleek right now. I'm a little juice. I'm really into neon right now. It's super trendy with neon hair. I'm seeing a lot more neon makeup, and I'm sorry, but I'm just feeling myself a little bit, okay? And it was distracting. I'm like, you're not supposed to be watching your stuff, you're supposed to be talking. I was like, ooh, mean. But anyways, enough being silly. Anyway, like I said, that's the thing. So go ahead, make sure you check in the comments below and see where it is. And click the video so that you can see the Facebook video. Also, tune in to our next Facebook Live so you can see how our titanium gem flat iron works for yourself. If you haven't already, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and as always, remember to keep God first and create opportunities. Thanks for watching. See you next Tuesday.